Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now if you can remember a few weeks back we brewed up the Mangrove Jack's Brewer Series American Pale Ale. So it's had a little bit of time in my garage to bottle condition and I've popped this one in the fridge and thought we would have a little bit of a taste. It was a nice from it when we opened it, so that's always a good sign. Should we give it a little bit of a head? There you go. Oh, perhaps that was a bit too much of a head. Quick slurp. Oh, that's nice. What can you do to save it? And sometimes you just got to take a big slurp just in case. Okay, so I'm going to take my hand out of the way. You can see it's got a good haze to it. And it's got a lovely, big, fluffy white head. And there's not a huge amount of aroma because of that big white fluffy head, but let's go in deep, see what happens. Get a nice bar. Oh, I'm going to get a moustache. Ooh, it's got a lovely light malty character, not heavy. It's got a bitterness, but the bitterness isn't like you would get of a traditional English bitter. It's a gentle bitterness that is lingering. It's really tingling on the tip of my tongue, this one. Not too sure which hops they've used, but there's a little bit of a citrusy vibe going on here. Not like a traditional English ale, more like a American I want to say westy, easty coast. It's neither East Coast or West Coast. It's a bit too bitter for an East Coast and it's a bit too hazy for a West Coast. But anyway, let's have another go. Yeah, that's really quite easy drinking. So, would I make any changes to this next time? No, probably not. That is, for the money, a really good, easy drinking beer that you could quite happily drink pints and pints of, not necessarily in one night, but you know, you're going to get 40 pints of this. It's very drinkable and yeah, really nice. So cheers. Have fun brewing this one. If you've made it and you've tried it, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And yeah, get brewing yourself one if you haven't tried it yet, because that's pretty blooming delish for what is one of our cheaper beer kits out there on the market. Anyway, cheers for now. Happy brewing.